So I've been hearing a lot of people talk about TextExpander recently and how much it helps companies to really connect with their customers in a quick and easy way. So I thought it would be good if I learned how to use the program. I had a spare hour or two today, so I thought I would do that. So just for those who are unfamiliar with it, let me show you the power of TextExpander. So I'm just going to type in ZSIG, and boom, it populates it with my signature that I already made in TextExpander. So now let's go back into TextExpander and see how this works. So here you'll see some of the snippets that I've already made and the one that I made with my signature. So we're going to open a new signature. You can have this be several different things. For all I want to do right now, I'm just going to have it be the plain text. I've been doing a lot of interviews recently, and every interview, right at an hour before the interview, I email the interviewer to confirm our interview, where it's going to be, all of that kind of stuff. So I already have something written up so that this would be a little quicker, but I'll show you a few customizations that you can make. So obviously the interviewer's name is going to be different each time, so I can't fill that part out. So what I'll do is I'll say hi, and then I'll put a fill-in single line form, and then I'll just replace this with interviewer. This just gives me a prompt when I get the email and am writing it of how to write the next part. So I say, just wanted to confirm our interview in about an hour at, and now I fill in the hour time. But once again, it's going to be different for every interview. However, almost all of my interviews are right on the hour. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to this little calculator thing, and I'm going to say add an hour, 1 hour, and then I'm going to go over to the time. And since like I said, almost all my interviews are right on the hour, all I'm going to do is click the hour and then AM, PM. And I'll show you how this works once we get into the actual email. So then it says, I have the phone number as, once again, I'm not going to know that until I'm in the specific situation. So once again, I'm going to put a fill-in single line form. I'm going to put phone number. Okay. If there are no changes, no need to respond. I look forward to speaking with you then. Thanks, Joey. And then the other cool thing about TextExpander is you can use snippets that you made before and insert them into new snippets. So here, I'm going to go into keyboard, insert snippet, and then I'm going to put ZSIG for my signature. So now that we've made it, we need to label it. So I'm going to put in interview confirmation, and then I'm going to put in an abbreviation, which I'm just going to go ahead and put Z confirm. So now I want to make sure that this is good. All right, that's all finished. Then I'm going to go back over to my email, and let's just say interview confirmation, and watch this. I'll put Z confirm, and now it pops up with a little TextExpander bot, and you can fill in those areas that I said. So let's say our interviews with John. Number, I'll put in my number here, 316-59-1717. Now that's all customized, and click OK. Now watch this. Hi, John. Just wanted to confirm our interview in about an hour at 6 p.m. Right now it's 5:06, so in about an hour, 6 p.m. I have the phone number as, and then I put his phone number in there. If there are no changes, no new response. I look forward to speaking with you then. Thanks, Joey. And then I've got my signature. Boom, it's completely ready to go. This is just one of the few features of TextExpander, but there are a ton more, and I'm just diving into it, but I already am in love with it and definitely plan to use this in the future.